Now, I'm a Note user. I've had every Note phone from the beginning to the end, from the exploding to the folding. But all of my friends, they use iPhone. So I've decided to visit them with my brand new iPhone 13 Pro Max. Let's check it out. Hey, what's up? Bertrand Tech Man here. And every week I produce tech videos, give tips and tutorials showing you how to use tech to make your life just a little easier. In this video, I'm going to give you my perspective of the iPhone 13 Pro Max from a Note user's perspective. But now, before we get busy, if you're new to my channel, help a tech brother out. Hit that doggone subscribe button down below. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers so I can support this channel. And if you find any value, give me a like. It helps the YouTube algorithm. Let's get started. What comes inside the box? You get the iPhone 13 Pro Max, one Apple sticker, SIM card remover, user manual, and charging cable. Now, the price starts at $10.99 for 128 gigs, $11.99 for 256 gigs, $13.99 for 512 gigabytes, $15.99 for 1 terabyte. Colors are graphite, gold, silver, and Sierra blue. It's made out of ceramic shield on the front, textured matte glass on the back, and stainless steel on the sides with flat edges. The rear of the phone has a large camera array, and it weighs about 8.46 ounces, feeling premium and a little heavy. All in all, it's a beautiful phone. But since it's glass, the first thing I always do to any phone is put a screen protector on it and get a case. The display. It has a 120 Hz ProMotion display. It delivers smooth performance and animation, making it very easy to read indoors or outdoors. The iPhone 13 Pro Max has the A15 Bionic chip and claims the world's fastest phone title, and I believe it's true. It has a camera array and a large f1.5 aperture. The primary wide camera is Apple's largest yet. The ultra-wide camera offers a larger aperture for brighter pics while offering a wide field of view. The picture quality is excellent. Now, you can get 12 hours of battery life, which is outstanding. And using my Anchor Nano, a 25-watt charger from this review, it charges from 10 to 100% in about an hour and 15 minutes. I really like the design and build quality of this phone. It feels premium. The display is equal to or rival my Galaxy Z Fold 3. It's very bright indoors or outdoors. The pictures from all three back cameras are sharp and very good in low light conditions. The video is simply excellent, but what makes this phone special is the amazing battery life. If you want an almost perfect iPhone, this is it. Now, I look forward to examining the Apple ecosystem in the future, and I hope that you will join me as I check it out with Android Eye. I'm Bertrand Tech Man. Thanks for watching. Now, if you found value in this quick first impressions, please give me a like, hit that subscribe button, ring the bell, share, and comment. And I'll see you in my next video.